Oh, I'm getting got by the sprinkler. I'm getting got by that one now. Can't believe the amount of clouds that have just rolled in. Welcome to sunny South Africa. This was supposed to be my first proper vlog, first astrolandscape outing, and we are rained off. It's very wet. So Jade had booked me and the kids a couple of nights in this awesome little sort of chalet thing, traditional like thatched building, and I don't know what you call it. I don't know. There's probably a technical word for it. A little thatched holiday thing, and the weather last night was really good until I got my camera out and then the clouds started rolling in, and I just about got a time lapse in and set my camera up wrong. Set the intervals for 25 minutes instead of 25 seconds, so when I went back outside about 10:30 to check on it, there was 2 images on the camera. So I set it up again. Clouds were getting thicker. So I managed to get a cool little time lapse. But yeah, then I left my camera out all night and came out to this morning. So my camera was absolutely soaked. And I've just been running around getting some B-roll, and now I'm soaked. So yeah, we'll just have to see what happens, but it's a bit irritating, really. It's normally like clear skies, 36 degrees constantly, and yeah, it's 19 degrees today and it's raining. So I'm currently sat in the car trying to keep out of the rain. This should have been a really good opportunity for some astro landscapes. It was near Dino Keng Nature Reserve, which is about 30 kilometres outside of Pretoria. Exploring the garden of the place that we're staying in, because it doesn't look like this rain is shifting at all. It is definitely settled in for the night. Just looking for other opportunities and other things I can shoot apart from the sky. Just along this path here, kind of makes for an interesting little leading line. Just following that path through the plants and the trees there. I don't know, it might look like something at night. I don't know, there's just something about it that's catching my eye. So, and the good thing about this angle is shooting along like this. Yeah, I'd rather avoid having to tip my camera up and then get the lens full of rain. So, yeah, I'm going to try that. Yeah, I'm sure I can find something to shoot. The dogs are barking at something. Big on guard dogs in South Africa. as I predicted, not a single star out. Just thick cloud cover. It has just about stopped raining, which is a bonus. That first composition, yeah, it's not much of anything really. I've also played with the zoom. I've never adjusted focal length on a long exposure. This is what happened. It's kind of weird, kind of like the effect. I don't know what practical use it might have, but kind of like it. But yeah, the actual composition on its own is a bit nothing really. But let's try shooting just down this way with the lights. I think there might be something a little bit more interesting there. And with these lights, particularly with this one being quite bright, I have to up the aperture quite a bit, just so it doesn't blow everything out. Almost looking quite interesting. I need to do something about that light though. I like it. I'm going to need to block it with something maybe. I'm not sure if I could change composition and see if I can block that behind something. That'd be perfect. I can work with that maybe. I can work with it. You'll know at this stage how it's come out, but yeah. So look further down the path. You know that there's no specific subject at the bottom of the path, but I kind of like that it kind of leads off into the darkness. So yeah, we might work with these nice ferns in the foreground. Let's try that. Get a load on. So yeah, the rain's really starting to come down a bit now. I'm getting bitten to death by bugs. Oh, I think it's time to call it a night. So yeah, thanks for sticking around again, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully it'll be more productive. Yeah, a bit more stars and things. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? If we could see some more stars. Yeah. So yeah, thank you. I'll see you again.